Welcome to the Planet Show. Today we will talk about some animals that are now under threat of extinction. Meet Sue Gendel. She is the leading researcher at the University of Los Angeles. Sue, can you please tell us more about your recent research?
Sure, let me start with some numbers. In 2002, there were 3,079 species of animals in the red list. And there were 2,064 species of animals which were categorized as critically endangered by IUCN.
What does IUCN stand for?
Well, it is the International Union for Conservation of Nature. This organization works in the field of the natural conservation.
Sue, tell us please what animals are already under threat.
Unfortunately, we all know these animals. Pandas, rhinos, tigers, whales, elephants, gorillas, and even turtles are in that list.
A lot of scientists claim that nowadays the biodiversity of our planet is under threat. People destroy natural habitats of animals. As a result, many species of animals become extinct. To talk about this environmental problem, we need the following words. Action. Действие, мера. Artificial. Искусственный. Hatch. Вылупляться. Human activity. Деятельность человека. Increasingly. Все больше и больше. Nest. Гнездо. Newly born. Новорожденный. Protect. Защищать. Protection. Защита. Rare. Редкий. Society. Общество. Sunbather. Загорающий. Territory. Территория. Volunteer. Волонтер. Die out. Вымирать, постепенно исчезать. Do my best. Делать все возможное. Lay eggs. Откладывать яйца. Under threat. Под угрозой. Panda. Панда. Whale. Кит. Tiger. Тигр. Elephant. Слон. Gorilla. Горилла. Turtle. Морская черепаха. Passenger. Пассажир. Vendor. Уличный торговец. Damage. Вред. Check out. Проверять. Make a difference. Делать мир лучше.